Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Review Information. In this video I will show you how to get notifications when your favorite people post. Let's have a look how to do this. Never want to miss an Instagram post from your favorite influencers again? You can choose to get a notification every time a specific user posts a new photo. All you have to do is turn on notifications for each user individually. To turn on these notifications, go to the Instagram app from your apps list. Visit a user's profile whose post notification you want to turn on. Click the three dots in the upper right hand corner of the post and choose Turn on Post Notifications. That's it, you are done. From now on, whenever your favorite person posts anything, you will get a notification instantly. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.